Let's make Brazilian lemonade for summer. It's an amazing, frothy, tropical drink, and you can add alcohol to it and make it a cocktail. Cheers. Let's make Brazilian lemonade. It's only 4 ingredients. One of them is water. Oh, and the most important thing you need to know, you make it with limes. I've got 4 limes that I washed and quartered, peel and all, putting them in the blender. A little bit of sweetener. It's really as much as you want to use. I'm going to use monk fruit instead of sugar. Water. So we're going to blend this up, but you don't want to blend it for too long or it gets bitter. So we're just going to blend it for like 15, 20 seconds. I'm going to strain this, and because it's going to go back into the pitcher with the ice, I'm just going to strain it into my bowl with ice. All right, we're going to pour this back into the blender. Add about a half a can of sweetened condensed milk. All right, we're going to blend it one more time with the ice. Let's try it. Oh, it smells good. Super refreshing, citrusy, not super sweet. Would be awesome to just like drink this, or you could add alcohol and it would be a nice cocktail. Cheers.